Are you ready to elevate your photography game? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2024. From entry-level options to professional-grade powerhouses, these cameras are sure to inspire your creativity and take your photography to new heights. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of DSLR photography to bring you the cream of the crop. Without further ado, let's jump right into our list, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more about each camera. Coming in at number 5, we have the Canon EOS Rebel SL3. This compact and lightweight camera packs a punch with its impressive image quality and user-friendly features, making it perfect for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Capture life's precious moments with the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 digital SLR camera. This versatile camera kit includes the EFS 18 to 55mm lens, allowing you to start shooting right out of the box. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily share your photos and videos with friends and family or upload them to your favorite social media platforms. Featuring dual-pixel CMOS AF technology, the EOS Rebel SL3 delivers fast and accurate autofocus for both photos and videos. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or recording memorable moments with loved ones, you can trust the camera to keep everything in sharp focus. The 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen allows you to compose shots from creative angles and navigate menus with ease. Plus, with its compact and lightweight design, the Rebel SL3 is perfect for capturing adventures on the go. Equipped with a range of advanced features, including digital image stabilization and a wide ISO range, this camera ensures that your photos and videos turn out clear and vibrant in any lighting conditions. Transform your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam for virtual meetings, live streams, and video calls. Simply mount the camera, and you're ready to go. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture stunning images with ease. Next up, at number 4, we have the Canon EOS 6D Mark II. With its full-frame sensor and advanced autofocus system, this camera is a favorite among professionals seeking high-quality results. Experience the power of full-frame photography with the Canon EOS 6D Mark II digital SLR camera body. Equipped with a 26.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, this camera delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and clarity. Capture every moment with precision using the optical viewfinder and 45-point all-cross-type autofocus system. Whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or action scenes, the EOS 6D Mark II ensures sharp focus and accurate tracking for professional-grade results. Take your videography to the next level with full HD 60p recording and dual-pixel CMOS autofocus technology. Enjoy smooth and cinematic footage with fast and accurate autofocus, even in challenging lighting conditions. Powered by the Digic 7 image processor, the EOS 6D Mark II offers impressive performance with a wide ISO range of 100 to 40,000. From bright daylight to dimly lit environments, this camera delivers exceptional image quality with minimal noise. Stay connected wherever you go with built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth low-energy capabilities. Transfer images wirelessly, remotely control your camera, and geotag your photos for easy organization and sharing. Compose shots from creative angles with the vari-angle touchscreen LCD, which provides intuitive control and easy navigation. Plus, with a standard power supply of the LP, E6N or LP, E6 battery pack, you can enjoy long-lasting performance on every shoot. Moving on to number 3, we have the Nikon D780. This versatile DSLR combines speed, precision, and low-light performance, making it an ideal choice for photographers who demand the best. Unleash your creativity and capture breathtaking images with the Nikon D850 FX format digital SLR camera body. Engineered for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike, this camera boasts a Nikon-designed backside illuminated BSI full-frame image sensor, delivering an impressive 45.7 megapixels of extraordinary resolution. Experience outstanding dynamic range and virtually no risk of moire thanks to the absence of an optical low-pass filter. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or action scenes, the D850 ensures exceptional image quality with every shot. With up to 9 frames per second continuous shooting at full resolution and full autofocus performance, You can capture fast-moving subjects with precision and clarity. Plus, enjoy the flexibility of 8K and 4K time-lapse movies, allowing you to create stunning videos with new levels of sharpness and detail. Navigate menus and review images with ease using the tilting touchscreen, and take advantage of features like focus shift shooting mode for enhanced depth of field control. With outstanding battery performance and a host of advanced functionalities, the D850 is designed to meet the demands of professional photographers in any shooting scenario. Record cinematic 4K Ultra HD videos and slow-motion footage at up to 120 frames per second in 1080p resolution, allowing you to capture every moment with stunning clarity and detail. Now, let's talk about the Pentax K1 Mark II, coming in at number 2. With its rugged build, innovative features, and exceptional image quality, this camera is a favorite among landscape and outdoor photographers. Elevate your photography experience with the Pentax K1 Mark II full-frame DSLR camera. Designed for discerning photographers, this weather-resistant camera boasts a 36 MP filter-less shake reduction sensor, delivering stunning image quality with exceptional detail and color accuracy. Equipped with an APS-C crop mode, the K1 Mark II ensures compatibility with Pentax K-mount lenses, providing versatility for various shooting scenarios. Plus, the handheld pixel shift resolution feature enables the compilation of 4 images into a single superior image, enhancing color rendition and sharpness for breathtaking results. Experience reduced image noise, faster focusing, and increased image sharpness with the engine accelerometer technology, allowing you to capture every moment with precision and clarity. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor photography, the magnesium alloy, weather-resistant body ensures durability and reliability in every demanding situation. Unleash your creativity with the Astro Tracer Extended Exposure Mode, which minimizes star trails for stunning astrophotography. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or astrophotography, the Pentax K1 Mark II offers unparalleled performance and image quality, empowering you to push the boundaries of your creativity. And finally, claiming the top spot on our list is the Nikon D850. Renowned for its stunning image resolution, robust build, and lightning-fast performance, this camera sets the standard for professional DSLRs. Experience the pinnacle of imaging excellence with the Nikon D850 FX format digital SLR camera body. Designed for professional photographers and enthusiasts alike, this camera redefines the boundaries of image quality and performance. At its core lies a Nikon-designed backside illuminated BSI full-frame image sensor with no optical low-pass filter, delivering an extraordinary resolution of 45.7 megapixels. With outstanding dynamic range and virtually no risk of moire, every detail is captured with stunning clarity and precision. Capture fleeting moments with ease thanks to the D850's impressive continuous shooting capabilities of up to 9 frames per second at full resolution, accompanied by full autofocus performance. Whether you're shooting fast-paced action or serene landscapes, you'll never miss a beat. Unleash your creativity with 8K and 4K time-lapse movies, showcasing new levels of sharpness and detail. The D850's tilting touchscreen offers intuitive control and flexibility, while features like focus shift shooting mode and outstanding battery performance enhance your shooting experience even further. Record your adventures in stunning detail with 4K Ultra HD video recording, and explore the world of slow motion with frame rates of up to 120 frames per second at 1080p resolution. With a total pixel count of 46.89 million, the D850 ensures every shot is nothing short of spectacular. From its impeccable image quality to its advanced features and exceptional performance, the Nikon D850 is a true powerhouse that empowers you to push the boundaries of your creativity and capture moments like never before. There you have it, our top 5 best DSLR cameras of 2024. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more about each camera.